I35equipment.com. This is a Kobelco SK210LC hydraulic track excavator. This machine has the hydraulic thumb on it, which is great for pulling trees, sorting scrap, loading boulders, moving pipes, just about everything else. Also has a nice heavy-duty WB bucket on it. Welcome you to come look it over for yourself. Happy to have you out. Just give us a shout to get on the calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. We just want to make sure we're here and have the gate unlocked for you. We welcome you to bring your own mechanic and operator or hire some local ones for a professional opinion if you like. And if you'd like a hauling quote, we send equipment all over the country, so getting it shipped to you shouldn't be too big an issue. Just fill out the form on the website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. There's the website right there. We'll share that address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back at the best rate that comes back to us. We do welcome you to arrange your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. Excellent digging power. This machine also has the headache rack on the roof there. Nice feature to have if you ever happen to utilize it. Also has switchable control patterns, so you can go from backhoe to excavator, excavator to backhoe. No matter who's in the operator seat, you can feel right home with the pattern control of your choice. May not be able to see it, but on the turntable, those lights on the back end there flash between red and white to alert folks that it's spinning. Also has the factory weld-on side guards in case you get a little too close to a tree or other structure to help protect the body. Now, if that bucket's not quite what you need for your current job, we do have a large inventory of both new and used excavator buckets. You can see our full and up-to-date inventory of buckets as well as equipment on the website. I'm gonna come over here and pull the Cedar out. Hard to tell, that Cedar is probably about 12, 13 feet tall. It makes quick work of it though. We'll let him get all parked and then we'll take a closer look and check out the operator station. The hydraulic thumb has 4 tines or fingers that are serrated to give you a better grip on whatever it is you're trying to load or grab onto. Go ahead and check out this access panel and your pump. Really nice and clean in here. These are those weld-on side guards we were talking about earlier. Just give you a little bit of something in case you accidentally bump into anything. Underneath your step here, you've got storage to take tools and fluids on. There's your depth fill. Hydraulic tank here. On the other side is your diesel fill. It's your turntable pump. And that is a Kobelco turntable pump. And there's that headache rack. The cab's nice and straight. Glass looks good. It is tinted windows. This is a Hino diesel. If you're not familiar, Hino is owned by Toyota. They build commercial trucks. I don't see any blow by. check out the undercarriage on this side. Pads look great. Excellent roller. All the rollers look to have been rolling when it was going. Excellent pins. Chain looks excellent. Sprocket's still got a little wear, but still mostly square. That's great. You have lots of life left in it. Looks like all your guards are in place. Not seeing any leaks. Moisture. Check out this access panel where your batteries are located and your filter. And your commercial battery. Iron control valve is right there to go between your backhoe and excavator, and your air filter right up there. As you're wondering, this is your diesel tank that fill we saw up top. Yeah, that undercarriage should last one long time. Yeah, really good rollers. Okay. Go check out the operator station. You may not be able to tell. Like I said though, the windows are tinted. Removable rubber floor mat in case you need to take it out and clean it up. Nice suspension seat. Before we go any further, go ahead and show you behind the seat here. You got your operation and maintenance manual. Always nice to have for reference. Horn on this side. Treble is going to operate your thumb. Power mode for extra power. Lights, DPF, your HVAC. It does have cold working AC and hot heat. Radio back here. It is working. I'll get it on a station for you. Working radio. Up here on the dash, you can see it sitting at 5,079 hours. No codes, no lights, no issues. Gauges all look good. Review camera there. Here's where you change it, your travel speeds and all your other settings. Appreciate you taking time to watch. Like I said earlier, you can see all the photo specs and our full up-to-date inventory online at i35equipment.com. Have a great day.